Matt.
Let's go, Matt. See, he's getting through this a lot faster. He's really strong. He doesn't look like he's having any trouble.
Big one. Good. Done. Set it down. Big breaths.
Yeah. Forgot which one was. Rocco's still doing that one.
Don't drop my line. Come on. You're going to put the strap over your shoulder and you're going to lean into it, right?
Come on, Matt.
Nice big frame. Just easy. Count your feet. Go. Point and LPA. Pull until I tell you to stop. Pull. Good. It's going to be 25. You got to go up and down for one. I'll count and tell you to stop. Ready? Doorway, you're going to drop to your knees. You're going to do it right to the inside.
Huh?
To your knees. Go. Stand up. Your airway.
Yeah.
Around here. Follow straight. Turn to the right. There you go. Follow on the wall. Good. In. Turn to the right. You can go quicker than this. You're just crawling. Come on. There you go. Follow the wall. Catch your breath here. Keep going. Come on. Come on. You're going to kind of turn to the left right here. Your top. To the right. Go to the wall. Come on. You can go quicker than this. You got family watching you. Impress somebody. There you go. Going right.
Let's go watch it.
When you get to this doorway, you're going to stand up and you're not going to use the doorway or the wall for support, okay? Yes, sir. Come on. Ready? Stand. Get up. Get on your feet. Come on.
Come on, Matt.
Yeah. He's really in shape. That's why.
Take that off. Every stair. Don't use the handrails.
Yeah.
Good job, man. Way to pound through it.
Do not wear a sweatshirt underneath. Just a t-shirt. Just a t-shirt on. I'm telling you.
Yeah. Yeah. Is this the next one that he has to do?
To your knee. Go. All the way through. Go, go, go. Gotta go lower now. Drop those shoulders.
Come on, Matt. Come on, Matt.
Wedge in the top of the bottle.
Get your butt up. Get your butt up. There you go.
Come on, Matt. Come on.
Shoot through.
Come on, bud. Come on.
You can do it.
For time. Laying there is not good for time.
Keep going, man. You're making good progress.
Good job, Matt. Come on.
Keep it going.
Good job. Come on.
You don't need to see. Just keep going. Come on. You got this, bud. Keep moving. You're making very good progress. You just keep it up.
Attaboy, Matt. Keep it moving, boy.
Keep coming, Matt.
Keep going.
Come on, you gotta go faster than that.
Matt
Come on,
Chavez.
move, man. This is time.
Let's go, man. Come on, man.
Keep it up. You got 3 feet left.
Work
go,
your way
Matt.
through it, man. Let's go.
Let's move.
Inch at a time, dude. Let's go.
Come on, bud.
Work hard, man. Come on. Attaboy. You got this.
Two
You're
feet
almost
left.
out.
Come
Right
on,
here,
bud.
man. Keep
Once you're at
coming.
the end, you grab the edge of this tunnel, you pull yourself out, man.
Hey, almost there.
You got a foot. Come on.
Let's go,
Get out of
Matt.
there, Matt. Come on.
Let's go,
Get your hands
Matt.
on that ledge right now. Grab it. Pull.
Oh,
Pull.
Come on, Matt.
Come on. Get
Come on.
yourself out.
Come on.
Come on, Matt. Attaboy. Keep moving. You're out, dude. Stand up. Let's go.
Come on, buddy.
I'm right behind you, okay?
Follow me. Let's go. Get up. Get on your feet. Let's go.
Let's move it.
Come on. Come on. There you go. You gotta make it.
Come on, Matt. You can do this, man. Let's go.
We can go watch him, right?
Yeah. He's gonna drink that down the back.
I've been videotaping it, Mom.
Come on, Pat. Go, Pat. Right here. Good job, Pat.
Come on, Matt.
Is this one finishing yours? Yeah.
Go. Go. Come on. Can't run, but you can walk expeditiously, can't you? All the way around that cone.
Come on, man. Let's go.
Let's go. Go quicker than that. Come on.
Don't drop it.
Come on.
There you go. Nice.